Morning, everybody. It's Memorial Day 2017. I worked on my DF250 quad yesterday. Got it rebuilt, and still got to replace the bottom plate on it, but I just didn't feel like messing with it yesterday. So anyway, gonna do a test flight, see how it is. Just did the basic stock settings for the CC3D. It's set up in Libre Pilot. Yeah, we flew probably, Jay flew his C-Ray and his other wing probably 3 times.
Did you get the redwood fixed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to just fly around and...
Well, this is the first. I've never set up a plane without being in my garage.
All right, it's good.
Yeah. I'm here and I'm clear.
Okay, so now let's see. I'm going to switch into... Oh, yeah, that's Ratitude. Almost flipped on me there. It almost flipped on me because I was testing the flight modes. Okay, so next, let's fly this around a little bit, see how it feels. It's very twitchy. Okay, switch into full rate mode. Never flown in that Ratitude. I guess it's like kind of like Horizon. You're alright, man. Brian's like, fucking Don, he's got a quad in the air and it's right around me, man. I can sense it, I can hear it. Okay, well, let's see if I can keep from... Oh shit. Brian, you should have seen. Oh man, that was, dude, that was crazy. It flipped like 5 times, man, and then when it came out of it, I didn't know whether I was upside down, right side up. Whew.
Been resetting it or recalibrating it or what?
Well, no, I just got this one rebuilt.
Oh.
It's the one that I took a pretty gnarly crash with. Busted all the 4 bolts. That this kind of has breakaway arms to where if you get into a accident, then there's a pivot point that has a nylock nut on it.
Oh,
And then there's, just behind it, there's a nylon nut and bolt that's through a hole there. And then so when it hits, it pivots on that pivot point, and when it pivots, it breaks that bolt, that nylon nut and bolt, so it doesn't break the arm, you know, which is a good design, you know. And so anyway, I had to replace those and do a little work on flight controller mount and stuff like that. Look at that, nice inverted. T-28 flies inverted, so nice, man. You got that bird. Yesterday I was FPVing. It's following you. I swear to God. No, now it's taking off. No. If he banks this way again, then he's following you. He is, man. It's like he's flying in formation, because I'm watching him, watching you, and as you bank, he starts banking. And it's not going to come in for a landing, though, I doubt. Nice landing. This grass, man, they haven't mowed it, or it's like going to seed or something. I don't know. Well, thanks for watching, everybody.